If you want to look young and white naturally with the most inexpensive natural ingredient, just watch this video till the end for the DIY rice cream that is for whitening and anti-aging. It is Korean-inspired rice cream that will give the skin a tightening, whitening and youthful effect. In this article, you will be going to learn about rice cream for oily skin. If you have dry skin, do not try to make this cream because all the ingredients that are used with rice in this cream are only for oily skin. To learn the recipe of rice cream for dry skin, click the link below into description to visit for the complete procedure. Without wasting any time, so let's get started. Rice is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and lift your sagging skin naturally. Rice also soothes sunburns and prevents the skin from suntan. Rice cream is something different that you can easily prepare at home inexpensively. To make this DIY, you will need rice 2 tablespoons, water 6-8 tablespoons, tea tree oil a few drops, cucumber juice 1 tablespoon, aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon. Wash rice properly. Soak rice in water overnight 6-8 hours. Next morning, blend rice. Strain the rice water. Take a pan, in this add rice water. Allow it to cook to get in thick consistency, in a slow to medium flame. Keep stirring continuously. Now take a bowl, add rice water which is now in a thicker consistency. Add cucumber juice, a few drops of tea tree oil, and aloe vera gel. Mix it properly. DIY rice cream is prepared. You can add store-bought aloe vera gel in your rice cream. Let me tell you how to apply DIY rice cream. Wash your face with the cleanser according to your skin type. Massage your face with this cream. Let the cream completely penetrate your skin. No need to wash your face after this cream. If you want to wash it after 1 hour with plain water only. This rice cream can be last for 2 weeks in a refrigerator. Make sure to store the cream in an airtight glass container. For skin lightening, visit channel and watch the video, how to make rice cream for skin whitening, lightening at home 3 days challenge. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel.